The new special edition model, limited to 333 vehicles, is based on the Golf R performance and packs a real punch with an output of 333 PS, 245 kilowatts. The necessary driving stability and traction of the all-wheel drive special edition model are ensured by a host of high-quality equipment features, such as R performance torque vectoring, including Vehicle Dynamics Manager. The Golf R 333 comes from the factory with eye-catching lime yellow metallic paintwork. Black accents additionally underline the appearance of the special edition model, which is being launched as a potential collector's item. The basic idea for limitation of the edition was provided by the engine power of 245 kilowatts, 333 PS. This is the most powerful output rating of the Golf, with a torque of 420 Nm. In addition, the optimized engine tuning means that the load change response is extremely spontaneous. The turbocharger is preloaded to keep it at a constant speed during partial load driving. This then allows faster power development for subsequent acceleration. The open throttle valve in overrun phases also improves dynamics and performance on the road. When the driver takes their foot off the accelerator and then accelerates again, this allows faster build-up of the engine torque and noticeably improves the engine's responsiveness. With an acceleration of 0 to 100 km/h in 4.6 seconds, the Volkswagen Golf R 333 Limited Edition delivers the best-in-class value compared with key competitors. The standard equipment also includes premium sport seats in Napa leather with integrated head restraint and the powerful IQ.Light LED matrix headlights, including light and vision package. State-of-the-art driver assist systems are contained in the IQ.Drive package. These include travel assist, the lane assist, lane keeping system, emergency assist, and adaptive cruise control (ACC) with stop and go function. The Volkswagen Golf R 333 Limited Edition also comes with a center airbag, front, and a rear view camera system. A system from Harman Kardon with 8+1 loudspeakers and 480 watts total output supplies perfect sound in the interior. With prices starting at €76,410, the special edition model can be ordered at German dealerships from 2 June 2023. Production of all 333 vehicles in Wolfsburg is scheduled for September, so that the first models can be handed over to customers from October 2023.